Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, we're going to jump right into this today. Today on the chopping block we got asparagus. And we're going to be wrapping them asparagus with some bacon. So we're making some bacon wrap Parmesan asparagus. And what you would need is some, this is smoked bacon right here, by hard smoker, bacon, natural, whatever. Anyway, you're gonna need some some lemon pepper. You're gonna need some salt for your water. You're gonna need some oil for your asparagus, and you're gonna need some Parmesan and some bacon, of course. Now I washed these off already. Now with these right here, you got to be careful guys when you're making asparagus. Some people just like to wash them off, dry them, and wrap them up in bacon and all that stuff. What I do is I blanch mine first. Right now I have a pot of water. That's where I'm going to put this salt in. And what you want to do here is you want to cut all this thick part off because it's kind of tough, okay? So let me put this over here to the side and just cut this part off. Okay? That part you want to leave. See that? Alright. So I'm going to put these over here for a second while I cut this one. You guys can use these little thick rubber bands for something in your house. I just save them. I save them in bread ties for some odd reason, because maybe I open up a bag of chips or something, and I don't like it just to stay open, so I just go ahead and use one of them and put it on there, and it works out pretty good for me. Alright, so take this off, put these over here. These right here you can throw away, or if you've got anything you want to do with yours, you can do something with it. I have nothing that I want to do with it, so I'm throwing mine away. So then well, we'll do this later. I'm gonna just go ahead and blanch these in some water for about a good 5 minutes, just so they get al dente. Alright, so I'm gonna take the salt over here and blanch that. Got it on medium high. We're just gonna blanch that guys for about good 5 minutes. Okay, on medium high. What we'll do here with the bacon, go ahead and open up this bacon. That's how I open up bacon. So say for instance, I mean you can do however you want to do. You can open up the whole pack. I'm going to use all this bacon. This is how I open up mine, where this thing is still in there like that, so I can just put it in a Ziploc or whatever, and it's still in there. So I'm going to take some of these bacon out, just to put them on deck, just in case. I'm using all of my bacon. If you don't want to use all of yours, you can wrap individually, or you can wrap like portions. Okay, and I have a lemon right here. Let me wash my hands. Wash this knife off. Cut this lemon. If you didn't know in some of my other videos, I like my lemon to be like kind of rough looking, so it can be like kind of like bitter, a little bit bitter instead of sweeter. So that's why I let mine get like dark like I do. Alright, so we just leave these out here. Let stuff get done. show you the next procedure in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I just took them out the water. Been 5 minutes. And you want them, you see how hard it was at first, right? You see how loose they is now? This is how you want them. I'm just actually just letting them cool off. Now if you want to do the other step, you can. If I was just eating these like without putting them in the oven, I would have put them in a cold bath water with some ice, and it would allow them to stay super green. Okay, so it brightened it up a whole lot, so that you know. I'm just gonna let these cool off, guys, and when they cool off, I'll show you the next procedure. See you guys in a minute. And by the way, I used a tablespoon of salt in the water. Okay, so and this is a tablespoon of lemon pepper, a tablespoon of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of Parmesan, and 1 lemon. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. Okay, I poured that lemon, a half a lemon, and a half of this lemon seasoning, and the olive oil on these asparagus, and I just tossed them around a little bit. Let me move this out the way. I'm gonna use this when it gets done, and the rest of that lemon seasoning. So yeah, you just take you some bacon. Grab your about 4 of them, 4 or 5, like so. Take you some bacon. I normally start like at the top, like this. And just wrap. Just like that. Okay. So all you doing? That's enough for one person. Now if you want more, then you have to buy more stuff, right? Like some people in my family, they go through this, I mean, within one sitting. I mean, real quick. It tastes that good. I am not lying to you. It tastes extremely good. So we're going to push that back up. Now, I'm going to tell you, if you do it without the oil, your seasoning is not going to stick on there, okay? So that's why you need the olive oil. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, that's it right there. Just take a little of this lemon pepper. Let's go over them. I hope you guys making some of these recipes so y'all can really see that I'm not playing with you guys. I love bringing happiness and joy to people in my cooking. Might not be the smartest guy in the world, but I'll tell you this, when I cook, it's a totally different atmosphere. Everybody got something that they're good at. Everybody have a talent in something, so why not use it? My talent is cooking. There's probably a whole bunch of other different things too, but for now that's what it is. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven, guys, at 400 degrees. Only thing we doing now is just browning this bacon. That's it. These are, you can eat the asparagus right now. They are very tender. Alright, I'll see you guys in a minute. Put this in there for about good till it get brown. I'll let you know how long it took. I got electric stove. Your gas stove may be different. And I did have like about 2, 4, 6, 5 pieces of bacon left over. So I'm going to use that for something else. Maybe some green beans or something in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. I cooked for about 20 minutes. I don't like mine too crispy. If you want yours a little bit crispy, you can. Just go squeeze a little bit more of this lemon juice on there. Try to be mindful of the seeds for your guests or your family or yourself. That's all you want to do. And I put some Parmesan on it like right before I took it out. Take a little of this lemon seasoning, lemon pepper seasoning. Just a little bit, y'all. We don't want it too overwhelming. Alright. Let me get that seed out of there. There we go. Alright guys, that's it. I'll give me one. If I can taste it for you guys. Let me give you guys a taste first. There you go. Ooh, that's hot too. It's good too. Quite sure it. Let me taste that. Mmm. This would be great for the holidays too. Well guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like and share and comment, and please subscribe to the channel where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods or better from my home to your home. See you guys next time in VELDOGG Kitchen. Let's get cooking.